Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials so you can narrow the fault quickly. First, charge the headset and confirm the power LED or battery indicator. Low power often breaks audio. Next, inspect and receipt connectors, USB 3, 5mm jack or the wireless dongle, because loose plugs cause intermittent sound. Then identify which device you intend to use and open its audio settings so you have a target to test. Once done, you'll be ready for driver and pairing steps that follow. You now dig into software and signal paths to fix hidden issues. Start by updating drivers or firmware because outdated software breaks compatibility. If needed, reinstall the audio and USB drivers. For Bluetooth, unpair the headset, restart the adapter, and repair while minimizing interference and staying within range. For wired connections, swap cables and ports and try the headset on a second device to determine whether the source or headset is at fault. Make sure to test audio playback after each change. You finish by applying fixes that resolve persistent faults and locking in a working state. Reset the headset to factory defaults to clear corrupt settings, then pair and reconfigure volumes and mic permissions on your device because software blocks are common culprits. Test with a simple sound and a voice recording. If it still fails, document the tests you ran and contact manufacturer support or initiate warranty service. This gives you repair or replacement options. One troubleshooting tip: try a powered USB hub to rule out low power ports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.